Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt defeated? The weight you carry, both physically and emotionally, feels like a never-ending battle. You've tried it all, intense diets, endless workouts, even those so-called miracle pills, yet nothing seems to work. You're not alone. Thousands of people are stuck in this frustrating cycle, constantly searching for a solution but ending up disappointed and exhausted. Maybe you've spent weeks, even months, cutting out foods you love, only to see the scale barely move. Or maybe you've been pushing yourself to the limit with exercises that leave you drained, yet still feeling like you're getting nowhere. It's easy to feel like your body is betraying you or that lasting weight loss is only achievable for others while you remain stuck. But what if I told you there's another way? Simple, natural solution you can use right in your own home, without crazy diets or strenuous exercises. There's a special blue tonic drink made from carefully selected ingredients that thousands have already used to finally shed those stubborn pounds. And the best part, you don't have to sacrifice the foods you love to see results. This blue tonic has caught the attention of people around the world for its unique ability to support weight loss in a natural way. Imagine finally breaking free from that cycle of frustration, looking in the mirror and feeling proud of the progress you've made. Imagine fitting into your favorite clothes again and feeling more confident and energized than you have in years. What's the secret behind this tonic? It's packed with powerful antioxidants and natural compounds that help your body do what it's meant to do: burn fat, reduce cravings, and boost your metabolism. And because it works with your body's natural systems, the weight loss feels effortless. Want to know how you can start using this blue tonic at home? Click the link in the description below. We've put together a short video that explains exactly how you can incorporate this simple drink into your daily routine and start seeing results in just a few days. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives by adding this tonic to their daily routine, and you can too. It's not just about losing weight, it's about regaining control over your health and feeling empowered again. Picture yourself waking up every morning feeling lighter, healthier, and ready to take on the day with renewed energy. This blue tonic is more than just a drink, it's a game changer. You don't need to starve yourself, you don't need to spend hours in the gym, and you don't need to buy expensive supplements. With just a few simple steps, you can start losing weight and feeling great, all from the comfort of your home. So if you're ready to finally experience real results, click the link in the description below to watch a short video. You'll learn exactly how to use this tonic and how it can fit into your life no matter how busy you are. Don't wait any longer. Thousands have already made the choice to take control of their health and unlock the power of this blue tonic. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description to watch a short video and discover how this simple drink can change your life. Your transformation starts today.